Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about zucchini. I have a female flower here, and let's see, I have one growing here already that's fertilized. I'm going to show you how to ensure that your zucchini is fertilized. That way you get fruit. So I have no male flowers on this particular plant. So I'm going to come to one that does. So here we go. You know it's a male because it does not have a fruit. So no fruit attached to it. See, you're going to take your Q-tip, okay, go just inside the stamen. Get a better view here. Okay, you want to go to the stamen. You're going to rub your Q-tip, get all that beautiful pollen on there. And then, see, look, beautiful. So now we come over to our female flower and get in her lady bits. It sounds terrible. I'm violating zucchini. And rub that on there. Yep, there we go. And then if you want to ensure, you could do it again tomorrow, because every morning the flowers open up. But if it is fertilized, the flower will not open again. So that's how you know. Look at all my beautiful zucchinis and cucumbers. Beautiful, aren't they? Beautiful stuff. Oh yeah, my grapes are coming along as well. So happy. And then I have over here more zucchini, as if, didn't have enough already. I've probably already harvested 30 or 40. Yeah, so some melon, a random onion that I guess I missed. I was supposed to have harvested all that already. Well, anyway, that's how you fertilize your zucchini.